Alright, market just opened like a minute ago. Looks like price does want to push up, so you can potentially look for some longs, but I do want to see us invalidate more bearish for value gaps, potentially at this high, but that might be too late, especially if I'm looking for longs. We don't have news today, so we might not get as much volume as I want, but overall you can see we're kind of ranging within these fair value gaps. I do want to see us close off a we already closed off this bearish fair value gap and validating it. But we still have one on ES. So I'm gonna be patient here. We could go honestly either way. I do expect us to tap the lows, but can tap it to London highs before coming down lower. So we still are with bearish for right gap. Yeah, it looks like price wants to just move down. Alright, so if we close below this, then I'll definitely look for some shorts. Let me just mark out everything right now. Right, that was the wrong looking thing I marked it. She was on the 15-minute. Okay, I'm expecting some kind of retracement. If not, then we can just dump all the way down to the lows, and then from there we can see what is given to us. Bro, it is so cold at my place. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but if you look at the window right now, bro, sun is just rising. It's so annoying how literally when I wake up most of the times the sun hasn't even risen yet. Oh my god. Bro, I wish I lived in the Eastern time. I feel like that would be so easy. Okay, interesting. So we're close to above that. Honestly, I might be looking for a short right here. Again, yeah.
Order filled.
Here.
Order filled.
So here's my entry. Only risking like what? Oh fuck. That's not looking good. Well anyways, that's my break even. Right over here. And then oh, we might get stopped out quick.
Order filled.
Wow. Jesus, we got stopped out pretty quick here.
Order filled.
Wow. 700. Minus 700 of the day. Wow. What the heck just happened? Why did we just skyrocket all the way up there? Interesting. Well, so the reasoning on why I lost just $700, I guess. Overall bias of the day was bearish. Like I said, I wanted us to take out these lows. I mean, yes, we were within a 5 minute here, but overall, like I said, that shouldn't really be that big of a problem because we did invalidate this 5 minute. Um, we don't have a 5 minute for value gap here, but overall, this would be telling us since we inverse this, um, once we close below here, the inverse wouldn't even be valid anymore. So I guess this would have been the retracement to a 5 minute. I mean, I could potentially enter off again, see how we react, but I want to see us definitely come down lower first, because that was kind of unfortunate. Could be looking at this potentially. If we come down close below this for value gap, we'll take it again. I'll set it this as break even. We got what, 20 seconds. This is not even revenge trading. Actually, this could be revenge trading, but my bias is honestly pretty, or should be correct. So it's when I risk the most, that's when I take a loss. That's so annoying. Okay, it looks like we're switching bias all of a sudden. Like I don't understand. We're not even tapping these lows. That is so annoying. But yeah, I just wanted us to come down, like close below the inverse bullish 5 minute, and then yeah, we had a reaction on the 1 minute, and then I don't know what this candle was here. Like, what the heck? Interesting. Okay, so now we're kind of heading upwards. Man, this is some weird ass price action. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm done for the day. I don't wanna. At this point, this is just straight up revenge trading. And I know for a fact if I long, it's gonna come. It's probably gonna like reverse on me or some shit. Okay, I only lost 400 or yeah, 477 on alpha, and then for tops, I'm kind of down. bit. We still are up on the account. Every account we are still up, but actually no, this account we're not. Oh my god. But bruh, that's so unfortunate. Yeah, after looking at price action today, it was honestly pretty shit. Like, I cannot lie, bro. I mean, yes, we like tapped into the 5 minute, yes, and the 15 minute, but like, bro, there is no way in hell people took long to like, what, this entry? But maybe potentially here though, honestly. But on NQ, there's no way somebody took a long off that. So this was kind of, yeah, this was definitely my fault, but at the same time, bro, like, you reacting off this bearish fair value gap, and then we come down, and then we react off this bullish fair value gap. So what can you really say here? You know, this was just unlucky. And it looks like price wants to tap into the high now. So I mean, this could have went both ways to be honest. For traders, it's short or long, but obviously the people who long, they did end up winning. But yeah, I'm probably done for the day because I'm not trying to wrench trade. I already had an idea to go long, which was probably like here on NQ, but this shit would have got stopped out, or I would have had a break even, or it would have been on ES, which was a similar trade, probably entering off here, and boom, targeting that high. But yeah, there's no point in taking a trade now unless I wait for us to sweep these highs, and we can potentially have a continuation entry or a reversal. But like I said, I don't really like how price is moving, so I'm just gonna stay off today. But yeah, that's pretty much